Welcome back to Project Assistant. In this tutorial, we'll explore the 4 plan screens. This is where you'll develop a high-level project strategy, outline goals, and reflect on the project both during and after its completion. To begin, click the plan icon in the left navigation bar. The plan includes a written project plan, accomplishments, learnings, and a closed project plan. Each workflow comes with a tailored plan template to help you get started and guide you through your project. A best practice is to facilitate the team's creation and continuous updating of a written plan. Creating a written plan will produce clarity, and involving the team enables buy-in and support. Tailor the outline of the plan to meet your team's and stakeholders' needs. As the plan is created, share it with the AI bot, Jared. Ask Jared to review and provide suggestions. He'll help you spot any areas you might have overlooked, as well as give you more ideas and recommendations. Update and share the plan often. When a task status is changed to done, it will automatically appear on the accomplishment screen. Currently, you'll see a couple of completed tasks here. When we go back to the project, we can go into a task group, see the individual tasks, and mark one as done. It's now listed under accomplishments. On the learning screen, you can request and record learnings throughout the project. Share the learnings as part of the project post-op when closing it. This will help you improve processes and results for future projects. Finally, customize the closed project outline to meet the team's and stakeholders' needs. Create a written plan describing how the project will be formally closed and what information will be shared. Thanks for watching. For more information, click the question mark at the upper right in Project Assistant.